Hey everybody, welcome to What's Cooking Good Looking with me, Nargis Fakhri. One of my favorite recipes for those who can't have dairy or gluten. First, we start out with all the dry ingredients in one small bowl. We have gluten-free flour, baking soda, and Himalayan salt. And what you want to do is stir all the ingredients together while in the bowl. So I'm going to be cracking 4 eggs. I love cracking eggs. 4 ripe large bananas, mashed. Looks like a lot, but it makes this loaf delicious. I'm just going to slide it right in with the 4 whole eggs. I'm now going to combine a few other ingredients with the bananas and the eggs. I like to use organic, but you use whatever you're comfortable with. Now stir all of these lovely ingredients together. It smells really, really good. I'm super excited. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Add a little at a time and give it a stir. Continue to do so until all the dry ingredients is mixed with the wet ingredients. After you've combined all of your ingredients really, really well, the mixture should look like this. And now it's time to pour the mixture into your baking dish. This is now going into a 350-degree oven for about an hour, but check on it occasionally. Finally done. I'm so excited to taste this, and I can't wait to share with my friends.